Welcome to Glorious IAS Academy. This is Chandrasekhar Reddy, a senior faculty in Geography, Environment and Ecology, and I also deal with Science and Technology and Current Affairs. This is my first class here with the Glorious IAS Academy, and here I would like to focus or the area of discussion today in this video is the chronology of GS syllabus with respect to UPSC and all other competitive examinations. To be precise, what does the general studies syllabus cover and how you are going to view this syllabus. Generally in our school days, when social studies is a part of our curriculum, the first and foremost subject or the topic that is there in your social studies is definitely the geography, followed by the history, followed by the civics. Now we call it as polity, and then comes your economics. Here, as a broader perspective, we call it economy, or to be more precise, it is called Indian economy. So from geography to history to polity to economy, I will give you an overview of the arrangement of all these subjects, so that while you are preparing for UPSC or any other competitive examination, while you hold a subject book in your hands, you will definitely, after watching this video, you will have a clear-cut idea of where you are in the total timeline of the general studies syllabus. Okay, so this is my personal view and personal take on the general studies syllabus, which will definitely help you, enhance you, and empower you to master the syllabus of UPSC, especially general studies. Okay, so normally when speaking as an IAS aspirant, you will definitely come to know that everything under the sun covers the GS. GS, general studies, covers all the aspects from the birth of the earth, like from the Big Bang theory to the present day economic situation. Okay, mostly in the current affairs issue. When you are dealing with current affairs, all the polity related issues and all the economic related issues, mostly by the RBI and also Supreme Court, these decisions are being time and again repeated. Those are also called as current affairs. So before this current affairs, I would like to throw some light on the timeline of UPSC, that especially timeline of general studies for UPSC. Okay, here we begin. The earth, the heading for this we can call it as the chronology of UPSC, chronology of GS syllabus, decoded for UPSC and other competitive exams. So yes, first and foremost, as I said you, the story, the discussion of the story, especially with respect to general studies syllabus, begins from the Big Bang, where our entire universe is believed to be started. the most acclaimed theory. And after the Big Bang theory, the universe, that is the starting point of the universe. Slowly, after the Big Bang theory only, your time, space came into picture. Okay, so from that Big Bang, the formation of stars and also the birth of stars, the formation of the black hole, and the death of the star, also the birth of the star. Okay, as you know, millions and billions of stars combine to form galaxies. Okay, and one among those galaxies is our Milky Way galaxy. So in our Milky Way galaxy, primarily sun is the supreme star, especially with respect to this our universe, our in Milky Way, our solar system. Why solar system? Because sun is the boss of the solar system, and in that solar system, presently it is 8 planets that are revolving around the sun. And here, formation of the earth and also formation of the moon, how these things took place. And to the to be precise, our focus, especially first and foremost, when we start with geography, we have from Big Bang theory or just Big Bang to continental drift theory or continental drift. So what has happened to earth, how it started, what are the things that went beyond our imaginations, and how the formation of oceans took place, and how the continents came into picture. Slowly how nations, as we see today, there are many countries and people are living in them. And apart from that, what are the major mountain ranges, what are the rivers, and also in the geography we will definitely study about the atmosphere. So atmospheric circulation, what is atmosphere, how oxygen was added to atmosphere, what are the major gases that are present in the atmosphere. So everything with respect to the physical features of the globe or earth, we are going to study in geography, to be particular. Here, after geography, we will be reading about history. Your history starts from IT to IT. That is iron technology to information technology. Everything is history. But more than this, our history actually started normally in our history books. History starts from Indus Valley civilization. So Indus Valley civilization, your history starts here. Indus Valley civilization to Independence Day celebrations, first Independence Day. Everything that is between these two comes to your history. From Indus Valley, your ancient history starts there. One of the greatest civilizations that flourished near the Indus Valley, Indus River, we have named it Indus Valley civilization, and there were sophisticated drainage systems, built very well built up walls, and the engineering was marvelous. But somehow, due to many reasons that went into the pages of history, the collapse of Indus Valley civilization occurred, and we can see the remnants of the Indus Valley civilization, and major sites are a living proof that the civilization was ahead of its time. Okay, so after that, the most major important kingdom out of which was born out of the Mahajanapadas. 16 Mahajanapadas is your Mauryan kingdom. One of the greatest all-time kings, Ashoka the Great, and was from the Mauryan kingdom. After Mauryan kingdom, slowly, religion took a major seat, especially Hinduism came into picture, and also the Varna system and whatnot, like Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, Hinduism. These are all the birthplaces. These religions are born here and flourished across the world. Okay, so here this is the Hindu era of history. Slowly, in 1100s AD, after 1100 AD, you will see the advent of Islam, where the descendant of Genghis Khan, Babur, has successfully established his kingdom here. The Muslim era starts from there, and you can see many great stalwarts in the Mughal Empire, and also there are other Muslim rulers. Here you will be entering into the medieval history. From there, after Hindu era or Mauryan Empire and Gupta Empire and everything, you will be seeing the Islamic rule for about nearly from 1100s to 1600s. Till the advent of Europeans, all the Muslim rulers ruled India. A very big and vast history. Your ancient and medieval will be covered there. Art and culture was given a prominence and importance with respect to UPSC and also with respect to those eras. Later, after the advent of Europeans, the first Europeans entered, as you know, in 1600s. From 1600s and over a period of decade and half of Indian freedom movement struggle, from Mandela to Mahatma Gandhi, there are many stalwarts in our Indian freedom struggle. Their thought process, their sacrifices. Now, due to them, we are enjoying our freedom. But with respect to the examination point of view, this is very much important. All the modern period or the modern Indian history, as you see, starts from the British rule. How the Britishers slowly established their rule in India, and how our Indians, especially Indian freedom strugglers, leaders, how they overtook the power from the British. That was clearly mentioned in the Indian national movement. That will be a part of our syllabus. Okay. From here, later on, slowly in 1947, definitely on August 15th, we were given independence. Here, your history, of course, there may be post-independent Indian history, but here our history stops. Next, with the lessons learned in the during the British rule, a drafting committee was formed, and in from the inspiration of the mini constitution, most famously called as the mini constitution 1935 Act, there was a drafting committee formed, and the head being Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We have written the world's largest, lengthiest, bulkiest, rigid, flexible, you you name it, and the feature will be in the constitution, especially in our Indian constitution. That book itself will form your polity. The number of articles, the amendments, everything which is written in this constitution will form your polity, Indian constitution. After the formation and after the election of the Prime Minister, first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, okay, he had some vision for our India. The most important thing is to bring economic prosperity to our country. There comes into picture your economic 5-year economic plans, yearly plans, 5-year economic plans. First 5-year plan, primary sector was given importance, second manufacturing, third so on and so forth. So till 1991, and all after 1991 also the LPG reforms came into picture. Till date, till presently in 2023, here we are having a budget, we are having an economic survey, and all these concepts and all these issues you will be covering under economy, or it is also we can mostly referred as Indian economy, from 5-year plans to financial year plans, yearly plans. And budget, economic survey, and everything comes into picture. So in this video, let us have a quick recap of what you have learned, and which in which way it is helpful for your UPSC preparation and all other competitive examination preparation if you are preparing the GS part. As I said, from geography, history, polity, economy, from the Big Bang theory to the current day, to the day you are seeing this video or I am making this video, everything comes as the syllabus of your GS. So this is the most, uh, I mean, understandable, a simple video presented by me for you. This is my understanding of the GS syllabus. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video, please do like the video, or if you dislike the video, you can also dislike the video, no problem. And this will motivate me to keep you engaged and to come up with more innovative thoughts, and also to master any competitive examination syllabus just like that. Thank you.